Hey guy, let's continue this topic and welcome to my YouTube channel once again and in this video also. So guys, in this video today we are going to learn about uh, not this one. We are going to learn about today's ninth video. In this video we will be seeing two topics, that is what is the Azure portal and what is Azure marketplace. Okay, I hope this video will be valuable for you guys. So in this, first of all, we'll discuss about what is Azure portal, and let me take a highlighter here. So guys, here, if we talk about this, what is Azure portal? So guys, the Azure portal is a web-based unified console that provides an alternative to command line tool. Okay, it is an alternative solution where we do not need to work too much on command line tools. So it is a web-based unified console basically. With the Azure portal, you can manage your Azure subscription by using a graphical user interface, and you can build, you can manage, you can monitor everything from a simple web apps to explore cloud deployments, and even you can create custom dashboard for your for an organized view of resources whatever you are accessing or whatever you are subscribing, and you can configure accessibility option for your for an optimal experience. Okay, this is what we get from Azure portal, and let me show you here. If you want Azure portal, you can let me show you what it is actually. In even my previous videos also I showed you about it, how to log in and all. So you can go to, this is Azure portal basically. Even if you search here Azure portal, you will get Azure portal login. Okay, so this is what you can get it easily. Okay, this one from here, and this is login page. It is asking me like sign in with your organizational account, like that. Okay, from here you can log in to portal, this portal, and the ID which you use, and to give password. So from here I can manage my entire resources, whichever resources I am going to I'm going to some error is coming here today. I am subscribing, I am deploying, so that is what I get from here. This dashboard can be, I can customize, I can see each and everything like home, create resources, all services. So this is called Azure portal. Okay, and the Azure portal is designed for a resiliency and continuous availability. It maintains a presence in every Azure data center. So wherever data center is there, I mean, you can access your applications from there. And if there is a data center, Azure portal will be connected to that particular data center. And this is what the graphic I wanted to show you here. And even I have logged in here, and I can see here my resources, virtual machine app, and even I can select, I can use, I can see my subscription and all, each and everything. Whatever I'm going to use, I can see from here. Okay, and all resources you can see. So as of now I don't have any subscription, so I can't see much thing here. Okay, and you can click all services here, subscriptions you can see here. See, as of now I don't have any subscription here. You don't have any subscriptions, it is coming. I need to add if I want to add here. I need to create virtual machine if I want to create virtual machine here. Okay, so for that also I need to have one subscription. So my subscription is already over. So guys, this configuration makes the Azure portal resilient to individual data center failure, and avoids network slowdown while being close to users. So yes, there will be multiple data centers at different locations, and if I am accessing from India and this data center is in India, so I be able to access, this is India data center, okay, IND. So my request will go to this data center, so it will be very close to me, and there will not be any downtime. How? Because if my this India data center is down, so I would be able to access from other, if it is in USA, and if USA is near to me, close to me, so there will not be any downtime. Okay. And the Azure portal updates continuously and require no downtime for maintenance activity. Yes, if they have maintenance activity, so there will not be any downtime. They have that kind of setup, they have that kind of configuration and services. So these are the advantages and what we get from Azure portal. So it is a web-based graphical interface from where we can manage and deploy our IT infra. And the next one is, what is Azure Marketplace? So guys, you should see here, actually it is a combination of three words. One is Azure, second one is market, and third one is place. Okay, so Azure Marketplace is like, it helps connect user with Microsoft partners. So there will be lots of partners here, or independent software developers and startups that are offering their solution and services which are optimized to run on Azure. So it is a place like where lots of people will come with their products, and they will tell you these are the services we provide. If you want to purchase, you can purchase. Okay, so they are all partner with Microsoft. Microsoft is providing Azure, and here he is placing all the products. So that is why it is called Marketplace, Azure Marketplace. So they will have lots of softwares and solutions for and services for business requirements. So apart from this Azure Marketplace, customers can find, try, purchase and provisions applications and services from hundreds of leading service providers. So there will be lots of hundreds, more than 100 service provider available. And if you go to this marketplace, you can see here only just search here marketplace, so it is coming. Internet is little slow, so you can find lots of things here. See, it is coming. These are the managed services. Okay. And these are the partners, and they have listed their product here. If you need anything, you can purchase it and you can use it. Okay. And it is totally depend on the requirement. If you require, then only you should go for. If not, then leave it. All solutions and services are certified to run on Azure. So they are properly genuine products only. There is nothing like there is nothing fudgy kind of thing. Okay. And guys, this is what marketplace. You can subscribe, you can go to dashboard, marketplace, everything you can see. Let me show you here also. So let me show you all services. You can go to dashboard. You can say this is marketplace. Okay, you can click from here, and you can see here lots of things. Okay, web storage, a couple of things available here. So if you need, you can purchase. If you need, you can buy it and you can use it. So it is also totally depend on your requirement. Okay, business requirement. And guys, here you can see, like, using Azure Marketplace, you can provision end-to-end solution quickly and reliably, hosted in your own Azure environment. At the time of writing, there are more than 800 listing, 8,000 listing, not 800. So there are 8,000 product available. And Azure Marketplace is designed for IT pros and cloud developers interested in commercial and IT softwares. So it is a market. You can have lots of services from there, and you can use it, you can utilize it. And guys, in this video, this much information only. And if you feel it is informative, I hope it is informative. And I know if it is informative and valuable, you know what you have to do, and definitely you will be doing. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment this video, and I will meet you in next video. There we will be talking about the services, what are the services actually in Azure. So till then, bye bye, and thanks for watching for this video, guys.